Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the play or pause video on hover example in Greenshift's interaction layers. In this example we're going to be making a video play and pause when we hover on and off of it. So let's go ahead and add a video. Oops. And we'll go ahead and just use the plain Bloxy one. We'll find it on our media library, and don't worry, this isn't me or any of us here at Websites Assets. This is just a piece of stock footage. Let's go ahead and take a look at our block options here on Advanced. Okay, let's close animation, head over to interaction layers, add a new interaction layer. Our trigger will be on mouse enter. It will be, no, or is it audio video actions, play, and then we will have a new interaction layer on mouse leave. It will be audio video actions, pause. Let's go ahead and save that, okay, and take a look at how it looks like on our live site. So it's a really simple example. When we're going to enter with our mouse, the video will play. When we leave, when our mouse leaves the block or element, the video will pause. So let's try it here. Okay, it's playing, and when we leave, it pauses. So that's a real simple one. Play and pause on hover on the element. Okay, so there you have it. How to play or pause a video on mouse hover using Greenshift's interaction layers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.